Alright guys, this is just gonna be a video of my exhaust, see how it sounds inside and everything. I'm gonna put this up because I'm picking up my brother from his soccer practice, so I'm just waiting for him so we can get out of here and make this video going, you know. I know I changed my exhaust like a long time ago, but I never really made a video about it, and that's what I'm doing right now. So just stay tuned, I guess. Alright, let me get this shit out of the way. Alright, so basically it doesn't sound that bad, but it's so drony in 5th and 6th gear. So whenever, if you're trying to get an exhaust, I'll just let you know about that. But just enjoy and basically hear how it sounds. Sometimes it pops, sometimes it just sounds good. All right, it sounds good. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna drive any crazy because I know there's some cops behind me. Just say this though, before you get one, test drive a car that has one, and then so you will know how exactly it sounds, because you might not like the sound. But for me, I'll be honest with you guys, the thing was, actually I didn't like the sound, but you just gotta get used to it, and then it takes days and days and days. Right now, like, I can drive it normally, daily, with no problem. Like, cruise around, blah, 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 all that shit. I feel like my camera is not, like, fixed enough. Alright, that's better. The other thing I'm gonna say is, once you get your exhaust, you feel a lot faster, but it's the same kind of, I feel like. I don't know. I knew I wasn't gonna make it. Did I scare you?
Bruh, don't put me in your shit, bro.
What do you mean? You're not even in it. You're not even getting in it. You good?
I'm tired, bro. And you're over here recording a YouTube video, bro.
I know you just got from practice and everything. What the fuck? How the fuck did they do that? Oh. I don't know. Shit. I gotta play. Dude, this dude is so close to me, man. It makes me mad, not gonna lie. That was fun. I mean, it's definitely something you should do. I would actually prefer having exhaust than having it all stock. The reason why is I like to hear that rumble sound, you know? I just love the rumble. But if you really want the actual rumble, you gotta get an equal length headers. Those really work pretty good, and you won't regret them. You won't, trust me. But daily driving it's actually, like, you know, fun, I would say, because everybody is always trying to race you, even though you know you're slow as fuck. But once you get like 85, it will fix that top dip around like 4,000 RPM, and then when you get on it, it's more quicker and it has a more responsive throttle. So that's the only reason why you should get like 85 and shit. But it will give you, 85 will give you at least, I'll say at least 50 horsepower plus, depending on your depending on what you really got on it. If you got the full stage 2 kit with 85, yeah, you would definitely get like 50 horsepower on top. And that's exactly what I'm expecting when I do my E85. And then in the future, I'm gonna do a supercharge. But for now, for now, I can only afford E85, and that's basically it, not gonna lie. And then maybe in the future, I'll get supercharged. And I'll be making at least 350 or even more. But if I'm going for the supercharged, that means I'm gonna have to upgrade my internals, talking pistons, my head. I'll probably get like some fast pistons and stuff like that. That will definitely make it better. can see, I'm not really rev matching because I'm just too lazy to do all that shit. That's too much work. I mean, I'm not lazy. I know how to do it, but it's just that I don't feel like doing it. To do a 0 to 60, but I can't really find a good spot to do it, so I'll probably do it in the next video. Yeah, there's so much traffic today, so I'm not trying to risk it. I'm trying to do it like a 0 to 60 type shit. Nah. Otherwise, overall, it's so drony. Around like high RPM, it's drony as hell. And then if you have like a higher gear in low RPM, it's like drony too. So I think it's like fourth where it's not like drony when you get on it. Yeah, fourth, it's not drony. I don't know about third. Let's see third. Yeah, third is not really drony when you own it, but once you release that gas, it's gonna be drony as hell. Alright, what's running right here? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just don't forget to subscribe if you're new, comment and share, and do all the good stuff. You know, we gotta grow this channel so we can get more stuff for this BRZ. And after we grow this BRZ or build it, we'll go on the next one.